Hey guys, we're continuing my saga of kitchen fans. This is actually a fan that was always on my list to put here when we were first moving in and deciding what fans to hang. And this was high on my list because it fit all the boxes. At the time, there was a polished brass World's Fair in the foyer, and this had polished brass accents. It was brown. The wood blades matched the cabinets pretty close. Childhood fan. I just checked all the boxes. And the reason I didn't choose it was because there's already two of these hanging in my parents' basement, so I didn't want to double up. But I figured since I'm trying different fans, I'd give it a try. And it probably goes here about as well as anything else I've tried, maybe better. And I like it a lot, but it doesn't do the magic thing for me. You know, there's nothing about it that speaks to me. So right now it's on a 5, 10, and 15 wall control, which in the video it seemed to perform very well with. It stalls out on low now, so we'll just go up to medium low and go back to low and see if it'll stall. Yep. So we'll leave it running on high overnight and see if that helps. Medium high. I'll do a full tour with it tomorrow. I was thinking of doing what... I'm not sure if somebody on YouTube suggested this or if I misunderstood them and just got a great idea. But I'm thinking of throwing the Leslie lock in Abby's room temporarily while this is in the kitchen. And just seeing if I like that. I think so far the Leslie lock is my favorite of the fans I've tried in the kitchen. It checks all the boxes and it looks really cool there. It does the thing. The only downside, it's the microwave beeping, I'm heating up some soup. The only downside is that A, the blades are darker than I would like, and B, that's medium high, high. And B, what's B? Then there's 4 Union Evergo products in this house. And I've been trying to not have like an overwhelming amount of one fan. You know, I had 3 Newtones before. I think that was the highest number, 3 Newtones. I think that was the highest number of any one brand I had. And yeah, so now I've got 4 Union products. And that's this is a really good air mover, by the way. So these are really great performers. They're actually better performers than the Union version. They are silent. They move a lot of air. We don't find them much in the U.S., though. If I could find a 36-inch version here, I wonder if I'd like it better. I didn't even know they made a 36 version, but I saw one on Craigslist and somebody else got it. Yeah, you can see those bearings are stiff. These are what I mean when I say Christmas tree brackets. Okay. I'll let it run on high overnight. See if that makes a difference with the bearings. Like I said, I'll do a full tour tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching.